What's up, guys? Hope you guys are doing well today. Today, beautiful day again. We're gonna be requesting another payout again. Snowball effect. So let's start. If you guys enjoy, subscribe, like, and yeah. So I'll show you guys the take profit. So you received 2.3k from take profit. Bang, that's already in my bank. Done. This is USD, so it's around 3.1k Canadian. Let's go here. I'm gonna show you guys. So let's go withdrawal request. So as of right now, this is Monday, what we got, USD. This is Tuesday, and now let's close it so I don't show any information. All right, and today we're gonna be requesting another payout. Now today is gonna be a little bit less. I de-risked a lot today just because of FOMC. I saw a lot of people talking that it's gonna affect the price or whatever. So I was like, all right, I'm just gonna de-risk a lot. So I was only risking 100. Technically, I should have just risked my whole 300 because it doesn't matter. I can take up to 5 consecutive L's before I blew the account. So to be honest, I should have just risked more, but it doesn't matter. Regardless, I'm still grateful to be in a position when I can get daily payouts from take profit and it's hitting my bank, right? As you guys know, I've been trading for 1 year and maybe 5 months now. I mean, you guys probably don't know how much I lost, but I lost a lot, right? And just when locking in, I already made back so much losses. It's all worth it. Just keep pushing, keep focusing on your trades, follow the rules, all that good stuff. I mean, you guys see me on my YouTube from day one, not respecting rules, all that trash ass strategy. And now, daily payout. I'm already up. With this payout, I'll be up 5k in a week. We still have 2 more days. That's crazy. Anyway, so that's gonna be another 1k payout minus the fees. Turn that into CAD. Yeah, so 1.1k. Yeah. So, whoops. Today we have no news except at 2. And yeah, let's start the recap. Alright, so coming in today, we mark everything up. So we had Asia high / London high. We had Asia low / previous day low. And we have London low. What can I see on the 1 hour? Well, what can I see? We have a massive 1 hour fair value gap right there, where at 4 a.m. price went into it and rejected it. So it's a respected fair value gap, right? And we created here the London low, right? What else? Well, I can see that this 9 a.m. 1 hour fair value gap got respected. We went into it and then went to the downside. All right, perfect. So most likely today I'll be looking for a short, right? Let's replay. Whoop. Perfect. Let's adjust the lines real quick. Doop, 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 doop. So let's fast forward to 9:40. All right, what can I see? Well, market open, we went through Asia low, previous day low, and then what? Did we sweep it? No. Did we continue? Yes. So we're in a continuation as of right now. Technically, I'll be looking for short. What else can I see? Well, I've seen we created a 1 minute fair value gap right there, which is what's the word? Unused, I guess. So we have a 1 minute fair value gap here that needs to get filled at some point, right? Anyway, fast forward, macro open. what can I see? Well, as of right now, London low we didn't sweep London low yet, right? So as of right now, I'm gonna show you guys with the path here. Clone. Just so you guys can understand. I recommend you guys to do it too, you know, it can help you guys. So, market open, we're right there. What price does later, bang, we go through this zone, we go a little bit up, then down, we don't sweep this, and now we're going back up. Technically speaking, what's gonna happen? Well, here we create a fair value gap. Price is gonna come, rebalance into this gap, then go down. As simple as that. Perfect. So fast forward. Bang, here I enter. What time is it? 9:50. I was risking 50 ticks, so 12 points for 100. Like I said, I only was risking a little bit, so that's my bad. And another reason I risk a little bit, what time is this? 9:50. Now, I should have known, but here, I'm just gonna show you guys. The only reason I was risking less is because after that, so my entry was 9:50. If we go here, 9:50, it was holding, but then I seen it go up, so I was like, all right, I'm just gonna de-risk. So I de-risked and later got my 1 to 2. Bang, right there. So that was my trade, and then we went, swept the sell side, swept this London low, and price start going back up. So yeah, that was the recap for today. Next time I'll just risk what I'm supposed to risk, and to be honest, I don't want to say I don't want to check at ES, but I wasn't sure, right? Because here we hit this fair value gap at 9:50. 9:50, we technically swept on ES London high, if I remember. So, but then 9:52, we went through it. So I was like, I'm not sure. But next time I'll just stick with what I'm sure. I know on Nasdaq, like I showed you guys when I was drawing, everything made sense. So I should have just, kept it like that. Anyway, so yeah, that was the trade for today. If you guys enjoyed, like I said, subscribe. Again, very grateful. Already up 5K on the week. That's crazy. Yeah, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.